everybody, I'm Silvia Bartoloni and I am the Community Coordinator of Accademia del Caffè Espresso.
Ciao a tutti, I'm Stefano Della Pietra and I'm the product designer of La Marzocco.
Today, me and Stefano, we will tell you something about the design of the new GB5, the history and stories behind the machine. So Stefano, I think we should start from the old model, let's say like that. Can you tell us something about the philosophy that this design had?
So the GB5 is really one of our iconic machines, and I think there are many parts that we could underline of it. One of the biggest parts is that the machine has some curves that are really important and particular for La Marzocco. This set the machine as a traditional one, but there are some small points that were really fashion at the moment that was made, like the lion on the shield, that is really iconic. There is one base that is made with some straight lines and then this body that stands on it. So this is also quite typical for La Marzocco designs, to have a base and another part on it. If we look at the front of the machine, there are the groups that are covered and a 6 buttons keypad that is also pretty typical for this machine and is the only case of La Marzocco machine in which we have this kind of keypad.
How could you manage to take that iconic machine and driven that concept into a modern design?
It wasn't so easy. It took really a long time and many shapes that we have been designing. I think that we started thinking that we had to keep completely the shape of the machine. So our first drawing made by me and Piero was keeping the top and changing something at the base. But in the end it didn't work. We were not happy of that. So we decided to insert this line that is going around the machine, that is like creating a new shape on the top and changing some details. I think that we have really the signature of Piero in this lily, that is taking completely the shape of the shield. So just changing some details, but also big changes in shape, because this line looks like not such a big change, but it is. And also all the base is completely rounded to have the machine which speaks always the same language. Also in the front panel we worked keeping the 6 button keypads, that it's a part of this machine, it's part of the DNA, but we tried to remove all the lines that were not needed there. So you will see that the panel is super straight. I think we did a lot of job there, changing shape till the precision of the machine, so many times. I'm proud of all these components, there are many of them.
In the end, I think it was really a great job that you were able to create a design and a shape that it's a contemporary concept.
So thank you everybody for staying with us. It was a pleasure to design this machine. It was funny and exciting. And now we only want to see it on a bar, in coffee shops, so I hope to see them soon.